If you're trying to choose between Google Antigravity and AWS Kiro, here's the quick breakdown. Honestly, these are both powerful AI coding tools, but they're built for completely different developers. Google Antigravity is all about speed. You give it a high-level task, and it basically runs with it, spinning up code, running terminal commands, even handling browser testing automatically. It's perfect if you're building prototypes fast and want visual proof of what the AI changed, like screenshots and recordings. AWS Kiro, on the other hand, is much more structured. It turns your prompts into strict requirements and architecture plans before writing code. It's built on Code OSS, so it feels familiar if you use VS Code, and it's ideal for production systems, especially if your stack already lives on AWS. Go with Antigravity if you want rapid automation and fast greenfield builds. Pick Kiro if you need predictable, enterprise-grade control with proper specs, checkpoints, and governance. So basically, Antigravity builds fast. Kiro builds carefully. The best one really depends on how you like to ship code.